Tired of being chained to a desk for printing? Need receipts, labels, or invoices on the move? Printing on the go, made easy. Introducing the ZQ521 mobile printer. Now you can print anything you need, anywhere you are. Print anywhere with the Zebra ZQ521 mobile printer. Max print width, 4.09 in. 104 mm, fast Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Improves connectivity. Durable design, withstands drops and spills. Long battery life. Reduces downtime. Android and iOS support. Works with most devices. Ultra portable. Fits in your pocket. Perfect for busy workers. Crystal clear prints. Every receipt, label, and invoice looks professional. Fast and reliable. Print on demand, without delays. Easy to use. Simple setup gets you printing in minutes. The Zebra ZQ521 mobile printer lets you print receipts, labels, invoices, anything you need, on the go. Stop wasting time. Print with freedom. Get the ZQ521 mobile printer today.
Ask for free demo, consultancy. Our experts are all yours for free.